taking on
one.
Indian Mahi. Both of them started the bout very cautiously as Tarusha Rodrigo joining me in the commentary box.
Definitely Dhammika. Just a reward owned by Kazakhstan boxers. Brought 22 gold medals to their country. Let's see what they have brought today.
It was a celebrated day for Kazakh boxers. Plenty of them already in the finals in this age category under 22. As a nation, very proud moment. Mahi backing off, not very keen on engaging. Tries to get it through.
As you said, Dhammika, this is going to be a very intensified match. Good match for a very beginning of the day. Akbota putting pressure on the very beginning. Mahi circling around her.
Mahi seems to be closing the gap in fairly good time. Definitely the reach and height advantage is with Mahi. It's just about getting your work rate up to match a very strong opponent like Akbota. I'm starting to wonder any relations to the Akbota who fought yesterday and won the bout convincingly. Good one landed, good left. Akbota getting busy with her left punch.
But they are confident. They have their winning mindset before they enter the ring. They're coming for that victory. Akbota keep pressing forward. Mahi is closing for opening, but yet she's unable to throw a punch.
At this stage for Mahi, it's just about getting away from powerful punches and trying to impress the judges by delivering few punches while maintaining the distance. With a reach advantage, that looks like the clear instruction given to her by the coaching staff. Not very keen on engaging in close quarters. Akbota. Change in plan. Good one landed there for Mahi.
Final 30 seconds remaining here. Mahi still didn't do much impact on Akbota. She's keep trying. Akbota getting her points.
Both the minimum weight boxers to start off the day looking little cautious. We had just about every fight yesterday. All the boxers starting the first round with some fire. Contrastingly, Akbota this time eaten a good right upstairs by Mahi. Fairly even Steven. It will be interesting to see the judges' scores. It's a split decision in favor of Lady in Blue. India is in front. Challenging times, no doubt, for young Kazakh boxer Akbota. 3-2 in favor of India. As we're having a look at the highlights. Not the most impressive work rate from both the boxers. Mahi, while maintaining fairly good distance, still managing to land few punches, finding the target. Akbota at the same time, while closing the distance, delivered a couple of punches. Wasn't enough. First
Seconds
round goes
out.
to Indian boxer. Very interesting second round coming up.
Mahi is pressing forward now, cutting off the ring. She's
Round
dictating the pace,
2.
keeping Akbota on the ropes.
Already starting to notice clear change in plan for Akbota. Weight on the front foot, pressing forward. That was exactly what we witnessed from Kazakh boxers right throughout this tournament, yesterday in particular. Now the instructions for Kazakh boxer seems to be working, continuing to march towards the opponent while trying to get a good angle to deliver a few clear punches.
As you said, Mahi has light footwork. Look at she moving around, circling around Akbota. Akbota keep coming close, but yet Mahi always managed to avoid her by taking the slick footwork.
by inviting Akbota into the danger zone. Mahi is still backing off, and that's a good exchange for Indian boxer. Nicely done. Now the right through the defense. Akbota keep pressing forward. Good couple landed there. Good work rate. She's gonna need to repeat that right throughout the remainder of this round and the round coming up. Mahi maintaining solid guard. Good right landed there. Akbota seems to be getting her work rate up. So is the accuracy.
Mahi doesn't seem in a hurry. Akbota keep coming close, but she's not getting much points in this round. She needs to do something. She needs to take the control, because she's going to lose this round 2 as well as round 1. Mahi, she's light and calm. She's taking the precise timing to throw the punch. And she's looking for that opening. Look at her calm stance, steady stance, taking the glance of second to reach opponent.
Very, very interesting bout in progress. Akbota keep pressing forward, trying to work on her accuracy. Little exhausted. Both the boxers. Oh, good right. Akbota getting her work rate up. Kazakhstanis, they are never backing off. Known for excellent work rate as we reach us the final 10 seconds of bout number 1, round number 2. Very interesting decision coming up, I can tell you.
End of the second round. Both fighters getting their first minute rest and getting instruction and advice from their coaches.
Once again, split decision in favor of Indian. Goes to demonstrate the importance of your defense. It will be one heck of a third round for Akbota. She'll need to deliver. Akbota from Kazakhstan will have to come up with some serious fire in the third round. It was one-sided bouts against Kazakhs yesterday. Always good to see rest of the Asia rising up to the challenge. Post up, it's Indian young lady Mahi.
Round 3.
Excellent performance so far. 3 more minutes to contend with.
As you said, Dhamma, it's really nice to see these Asians rise up against Kazakhstanians. Mahi doing a great job there, putting her skills here.
I'm expecting Akbota to reach Mahi time and time again with some fire just like that. Now she's not afraid to enter the zone. It doesn't matter, just about 3 minutes of constant fire, constant pressure. That's the only way at the moment. Akbota can back this round. Good couple landed. Both landed there. Very interesting, very competitive fight.
The bout looks intensified. Mahi keep coming close. Akbota, still she's not showing some skills. Just throwing non-countable punches, not connecting them.
Intense look in the face of Akbota. About going for a bit of a pushing and shabbing. Akbota goes down. Just under 1.5 minutes remaining. Keep pressing forward. And Mahi keep backing off. One. Another one.
Mahi doesn't seem striking as hard. Akbota, she's calm and she's just using her footworks to play with Akbota.
Interesting final minute coming up. Akbota marching forward with some fire. Couple of jabs. Absolutely no room to deliver a powerful, significant punch. Another good left. Good work rate. Complete contrast in comparison to first 2 rounds. Keep pressing forward. And Mahi, keep backing off. That's the strategy for Indian.
This Mai, she's light on her feet but yet commanding to Akbota. She's circling around. Akbota not seems kind of experienced and well-seasoned boxer like we saw in previous day.
I can't remember how many bouts ended prematurely within the first round, but today, outstanding fight to start off the day. Young Indian rising to the challenge, quite possibly. She's in front. Akbota hoping for a much better third round. Doesn't seem to be happening as we are reaching the final 10 seconds. That's it. Very, very competitive, very interesting bout, and a very interesting decision coming up. Can't really separate two fighters. It was lackluster work rate by Akbota. Given the first round to Indian boxer Mahi, she looks very happy. She already done exceedingly well. It was a tough challenge for the rest of the Asia to rising up to the challenge thrown at them by Kazakh boxers. Anxious moments. The decision seconds away.
The winner of this bout on points by split decision is the boxer from the blue corner, Mahi Sivan.
There you
IBA
go.
India.
For the first time, young Indian lady bags the gold. They've been trying hard right throughout yesterday. No luck whatsoever. Outstanding performance. She overcame the challenge.